The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus with DJI RC2 sounds like a powerful and versatile drone option for beginners and experienced flyers alike. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Lightweight and regulation-friendly, weighing under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 4 Pro falls into a weight class that often doesn't require pilot registration or licensing in many countries and regions. Excellent image quality. It boasts a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K 60 fps HDR video and supports 10-bit D-Log M HLG color modes for professional-looking footage. Extended flight time. The Fly More Combo Plus includes 3 Intelligent Flight Battery Plus for a total flight time of up to 135 minutes, giving you ample time to capture stunning aerial shots. Safety features. It comes with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and smart return to home features, which can help you avoid collisions and ensure a safe return to the launch point. Beginner-friendly features. Features like Active Track 360 degrees can automatically keep your subject centered in the frame, making it easier to capture smooth and dynamic footage. DJI RC2 controller. This combo includes the DJI RC2 controller, which likely features a built-in display for viewing live footage and controlling the drone. Things to consider. Price. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is likely be on the higher end compared to other DJI drones due to the extended battery life and advanced features. Skill level. While it has beginner-friendly features, some of the functionalities may require practice to master. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus with DJI RC2 appears to be a great option for those who want a powerful, portable, and feature-rich drone for capturing high-quality aerial footage. If you're a beginner interested in this drone, it might be helpful to look at online tutorials or reviews to get a better understanding of its functionalities before you buy.